Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shatabdi Shom, Department Head of Media Science and Journalism at Brainware University. Media is considered as one of the most powerful tools for providing information, education and entertainment. We have come a long way from the traditional to the digital media, which has opened massive opportunities for communicators and content creators. Today, I'm going to talk about the plethora of job opportunities offered by the media industry in India. I will also discuss the creative and exciting career options in media. I will give you a few snippets of data so that you can understand the growth of this industry. Media is the sunrise sector for the economy and is making significant strides. You will be surprised to know that according to a study conducted by Ernst & Young, the value of Indian media and entertainment industry is estimated to be rupees 138,000 crores in 2020, despite the hard-hitting pandemic. In 2021, its estimated value will be 179,000 crores. I repeat, rupees 179,000 crores. And by 2023, it will be 223,000 crores. Can you imagine the growth and demand of this industry? For instance, according to India Brand Equity Foundation, the print media was worth rupees 19,000 crores in 2020 and is expected to reach rupees 25,800 crores by 2023. That is 36% expansion over the next 3 years. In March 2021, Ernst & Young projected that in 2020, television market size was rupees 68,500 crores and is estimated to reach rupees 84,700 crores by 2023 with a growth rate of 24%. In simpler terms, we can say that growth in any industry is a clear indication that it will require more skilled professionals. Since March 2020, most of us have been studying or working in the virtual platform due to the threat of the deadly virus, mostly staying at home. During this time, the only escape for all of us has been the OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Sony Live, Hoichoi, YouTube, and many more. According to the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry and Ernst & Young report, between 2020 and 2021, the number of OTT viewers in India increased by 47%, and this is expected to boost huge opportunities for all the content creators. And thus it opens the golden gate of opportunity for students who want to be a part of this industry. And the media and entertainment sector is expected to create not less than 3 lakh jobs every year. There are myriad opportunities in new age media as you can work as journalists in print, electronic and digital media. You can opt for public relations, radio, advertising, corporate communications, photography, filmmaking, graphics, animation, editing, research, event management, digital marketing, and most importantly, you can work as an independent journalist in this global village. But is it so easy to be a part of this industry? I would say yes. You just need to acquire specific skills that will make you ready for this ever-expanding industry, which is going to create mass hiring opportunities in this country. To pursue a thrilling career in media science and journalism, you need to be creative, adventurous, dynamic, with a strong will to give voice to the unheard. This course offers the best technologies, equipped labs, and most importantly, the experienced industry professionals who train the students, making them ready as per the industry requirements. Our dedicated faculty members from academia and industry focus on the holistic development of the students. We not only teach them journalistic skills, but also help them to understand the value of ethics, truthfulness, and accuracy. Our curriculum is a judicious mix of multiple theoretical and practical subjects that bridges the gap between industry and academics. Along with these hard skills, also known as the technical skills, the pre-placement cell dedicatedly inculcates soft skills, which help students to crack job interviews, build relationships, create trust, and lead teams efficiently when they join the industry. We believe that learning can never be restricted within the four walls of the classroom. And keeping this point in mind, we organize industry visits, fests, photo walks, internship programs, webinars, seminars, outreach activities for honing their skills, making them ready from classroom to the newsroom. Let me tell you something. Despite this pandemic and its adverse impact on hiring, we were able to successfully place 97% of our students in the industry with the support of our extremely efficient placement cell. Be a part of this tremendous growth story. Thank you.